Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the comparison between Photopea and ZMO AI. So today we're comparing these powerful free photo editors and want to know which one you should use. Let's break it down. When it comes to their type, Photopea is like a Photoshop-like editor, while ZMO AI is AI powered editor. And when it comes to who they are best for, Photopea is best for advanced editing, layers, PSD files, while ZMO AI is best for quick AI enhancements, background removal. When it comes to ease of use, Photopea has a steeper learning curve just like Photoshop, while ZMO AI is super simple and has one-click AI tools. When it comes to their AI features, Photopea's AI feature is kind of basic. It doesn't have any strong AI. While ZMO AI definitely has AI background removal, face enhancement, and other AI features like that. When it comes to price, Photopea is free with ads, while ZMO AI is free and has premium upgrades. Now, do they work offline? Photopea works offline, is browser-based, but ZMO AI does not work offline because it's cloud-based. When it comes to export options, Photopea has PNG, JPG, PSD, and SVG, while ZMO AI has PNG and JPG. When it comes to speed, Photopea is fast for manual edits, while ZMO AI has instant AI results. And let's look at ID users. The ID users for Photopea are designers and pros, while for ZMO AI, social media users and quick edits. Lastly, let's look at their unique perk. The unique perk of Photopea is that it has full Photoshop, it's like a full Photoshop alternative. So while the ZMO AI, the perk is that it is best for AI magic. So Photopea is like a free Photoshop, while ZMO AI is your go-to for instant AI powered touch-ups. If you need deep control over edits, Photopea wins. But if you want AI powered speed, ZMO AI is unbeatable. Which one do you prefer? Drop a comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech showdowns. See you next time.